Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hyderabad location. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are many openings available from Mahavir Degree College for Arts, Commerce and Science. So it is approved by the Telangana government affiliated to Osmania University. So it is located in Hyderabad location. So they have vacancies available for teaching staff and also non-teaching staff. So for teaching staff, you need to teach for BBA, Commerce, Mathematics, Statistics, Computer Science, English, Arabic, Sanskrit, Telugu and Hindi, and also they have vacancies available for non-teaching staff for Physical Director, Office Assistant and Lab Programmer and Librarian. So the candidates as per the Osmania University norms can apply for these posts. So the walk-in interviews will be held in between 5th July 2021 to 8th July 2021. So interested candidates, you can send your resume along with the scanned documents to the provided email ID on and before 4th July 2021. So the mail ID is mahavirdegree@gmail.com. So if you have any queries regarding these job openings, you can browse in the official website link provided here, that is www.mahavirdegreecollege.com. Next one, there are openings available for Vignan Institute of Technology and Science. So it is approved by the AICTE New Delhi affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad. So they have openings available for professors, associate professors and also assistant professors in CSE, like in CSE data science and in CSE artificial intelligence and machine learning, IT, ECE, civil and mathematics. So they have openings available for these positions. So qualifications and pay scale as dependent on the AICTE or JNTU norms. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail IDs. So two mail IDs are provided here. You can send your resumes to the provided mail IDs like vitsprinci@gmail.com. So with principalpa@gmail.com and also principal.vgnt89@gmail.com, and you can also check here with the address details. Next one, there are openings available from Telangana Pharmatech located in Hyderabad. So they have openings available for the following positions like analytical or R&D senior chemists and purchase manager or stores in charge and sales and BD executives and production manager or chemists. So firstly, for analytical or R&D senior chemists, qualification will be MSc and 1 to 5 years of experience is required in analytical R&D and CROs. And second one, for purchase manager or stores in charge position, you should be having 5 to 10 years of experience in pharma R&D. And third one, for sales and BD executives positions, you should be having 1 to 5 years of experience. And for last one, production manager or chemist position, you should be having at least 1 to 10 years of experience in API. So interested candidates, you can upload, you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID within the week to 10 days. So the mail ID is hr@telanganapharma.in. Next one, there are openings available from Siddhartha Degree College for Women, so located in Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. So they will be having vacancies like for the positions of mass communication and journalism, psychology, English, commerce, mathematics, data science, electronics, statistics, physics, nutrition, computer science, Telugu, Sanskrit and Hindi. So for these positions they have vacancies. So for these positions qualification will be PG with the minimum 55% in concerned subjects. So salary will be commensurate with the qualification and experience. And so interested candidates, you can send your resume with all Xerox certificates and photograph within 5 days to Siddhartha Degree College for Women, Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad 60. So you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID. So this will be the address details. You please check with this. And also if you have any queries regarding these job positions, you can also approach them with the given contact numbers, like first one 240641791, second number is 7995713698. Next one, there are openings available from Usha Mullapudi Cardiac Center. So they have vacancies available for diploma in cardiology, MD in general medicine. So they require doctors for these positions. Like if you are interested to apply these positions, you can send your CV to the provided mail ID, and you can also check here with the address details and also with the contact numbers. Next one, there are job vacancies available from International Fertilizer Development Center. So job vacancy announcement, chief of party or project leader. So this will be the job position. So to apply for this position, the requirements will be, you should be having at least 5 years of experience successfully leading the management of complex results based international agricultural development programs funded by private sector. So qualification will be master's degree in agriculture, business, economics or related field is required. So these are the qualification details and also experience details. Please check with this. And interested candidates, please check here that they have provided here the website link. So you can go through with the website link provided here, and you can get more detailed information about how to apply for this position. So last date for application process is 5th July 2021. Next one, there are vacancies available from DRK Institute of Science and Technology, College of Engineering and Technology. So it is located in Hyderabad location, and they will be having walk-in interviews from 28th June 2021 to 2nd July 2021. So timings will be at 10 a.m. onwards in college campus for the positions of assistant professors in the departments of CSE, ECE, Mechanical, Civil, EEE, MBA, Mathematics, Chemistry, Physics and English. So the qualifications and salary as per the AICTE norms. So interested candidates to attend for the interviews and all, you can send your resumes to the provided mail IDs. So two mail IDs are provided here, and if you have any queries regarding these job notification, so you can approach them with the given contact numbers. Next one, there are openings available from Aspiro. So like they have openings available for in the production department, like operator, senior operator and executive assistant manager, and under the quality assurance officer senior executive position is available. So firstly, coming to operator, senior operator position, qualification will be inter or diploma or BSc or BTech with 1 to 6 years of experience is required. And coming to job profile, having injectable operating experience of vial filling, sealing, compounding, unit preparation and autoclave, QMS documentation, terminal sterilizer and lyophilizer operations. So second one, for executive assistant manager position, qualification will be B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy MSc Chemistry with 3 to 12 years of experience is required, and you can also check here with the job profile. And coming to officer senior executive position, qualification will be B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy or MSc in chemistry. So with 2 to 8 years of experience is required, and you can also check here with the job profile mentioned. So interested candidates, to apply for these positions, you can send your resume to the provided mail IDs. So the mode of interview will be telephonic or video call. And next, there are openings available from Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology. So it is located in Hyderabad. So they will be having vacancies available for principal and faculty positions like professors or assistant professors and also associate professors for the following departments like CSE, EEE, ECE, IT, Mechanical, Civil, English, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and MBA with a specialization in finance and specialization in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science and cyber security will be preferred for CSE and IT. So qualifications and experience and pay scales as per the AICTE norms. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, that is recruitment@vbit hyd.ac.in on before 5th July 2021. So the mode of interview will be phone or eligible candidates will be intimated about the interview dates by phone or email. Next, there are openings available from Brilliant Group of Technical Institutions. So it is located in Hyderabad location. So they will be having the walk-in interview between 26th June 2021 and also 27th June 2021. So the timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. So the venue will be Brilliant Grammar High School, Shalivahana Nagar, Dilchuk Nagar, Hyderabad. So they will be having vacancies available for principal professors, associate professors and assistant professors in civil, mechanical, CSE, ECE, EEE, CSE in artificial intelligence and ML and data science, and software engineering, cyber security networks, like also pharmacy in pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry and pharmacognosy and pharmaceutics, and MBA maths, physics, chemistry, English environmental studies, placement officer, physical director, system administrator, lab assistants and librarian. Qualification and salary as per the AICTE norms. So these are the details about these positions. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, that is hrbgti@gmail.com. and if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can approach them with the given contact numbers. Next, there are openings available from Mahavir Group of Institutions, Mahavir Institute of Science and Technology, AAR Mahavir Engineering College. So it is affiliated to JNTUH located in Hyderabad. So they are having interviews holding on 26th June 2021 and to 27 June 2021. So they have openings available for the positions of principals, professors, associate professors and assistant professors in the departments of Aero, Civil, CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, Mechanical, MBA, H&S in that physics, chemistry, maths and English, and also they have vacancies available for non-teaching staff like admin officer and accountant, programmer, office assistant, system administrator, lab assistant and also DTP operator. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, that is mist.rec21@gmail.com and on before 25th June 2021. So for more detailed information, you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next one, there are openings available from Geetham University. So it is located in Hyderabad. So they have openings available for the career counseling officer, training officer, placement officer or career fulfillment coordinator, and placement officer or career fulfillment coordinator in sciences, and it is engineering. So these are all in the department of training and placements. So for these positions, qualification will be: first one, for career counseling officer, qualification will be PG degree and also 10 years of relevant experience is required. And second one, for training officer position, qualification will be PG degree with BTech or BE is required, and also 5 years of relevant experience is required. And the third one, for placement officer in engineering, like for this qualification will be PG degree with BTech or BE. So 5 years of experience is required in placement of engineering students. Next one, for placement officer or career fulfillment coordinator in sciences. So for this position, qualification will be PG degree and also you should be having 5 years of experience in placement of science students. So these are the positions and also the details. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is adminhyd@geetham.edu. So within 1 week from the date of advertisement. So for more detailed information about this job notifications, you can also approach them with the given contact numbers. Next, there are openings available from L&K College of Engineering and Tech. So they have vacancies available for the professor, associate professor and assistant professors and lecturer positions for the courses of MTech, MBA, BTech and Diploma. So and also in the departments of Civil, ECE and CSE EEE Mechanical, CSE in AI and ML, and CSE DS and CSE CS and MBA, English, Mathematics, Physics and Chemistry. So they have openings for all these positions for all these subjects. So interview will be held on 26th and 27th June 2021, and the timings will be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So qualification and salary as per the AICTE norms. And they have also vacancies available for the physical director, programmers, system administrators, lab assistants and also non-teaching staff, TPO, soft skills trainers, telecaller, maintenance engineer. So interested candidates to apply for these positions, you are requested to appear with the original certificates. So you can send your resume to the provided mail ID provided here, that is lnkengc7@gmail.com. So the candidates should come with the following certificates, like original and one set of Xerox copy, like SSC, UGOD and PGOD and PhDOD, and second one PAN card, Aadhaar card and passport size photos, and JNTU registration ID if any. So if you have any queries regarding these job notification, you can also approach them with the given contact numbers. Next one, there are vacancies available from Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. So they have vacancies available for the teaching faculty in the department of CSC, IT, CSM, CSD, Science and Humanities, assistant professors in CSC, CSM and CSD with PhD, CSC or IT, BTech and also MTech in same branch, and MSc or MA for Science and Humanities, and salary as per the AICTE scales. So they have openings for all these for all these subjects. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is resumes at kmit.in. So you need to submit your resumes on or before 30th June 2021, and you can also check here with the address details. Next one, there are openings available from Samskruti College of Engineering and Tech. So College of Pharmacy. So they have openings available for the professor, assistant professor and associate professors in civil or EEE or CSE and ECE, CSE in AI and ML and CSE DS Mechanical, MBA Maths, English, Chemistry, Physics, Pharmaceutics and Pharmacology and Pharmaceutical Chemistry or Pharmacognosy and Pharmaceutical Analysis, Regulatory Affairs, Pharmacy Practice or PharmD, and also they have required lab technicians for pharmacy. So coming to eligibility and salary, it will be as per the AICTE or PCI norms. So salary is not a constant for deserving candidates. So attractive package will be offered to the candidates with BTech or MTech or PhD from IIT or NIT or government engineering colleges. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID on before 28th June 2021. So for engineering positions, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is info at samskruti.ac.in. In order to, if you want to apply for the pharmacy positions, you need to submit your resume. You need to send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is recruitment.y7@gmail.com. And if you have any queries regarding this job notification, you can also approach them with the given contact numbers. Next one, there are vacancies available for vice principals, receptionists, and it is for female candidates only, and also junior lecturers in mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany, geology, English, or Sanskrit. So it is for Trividya Junior College. So coming to, they have provided here the note, that is in the for vice principals, minimum 5 years of experience is required in junior colleges, and post graduation in any science subject is a must, and in concern subject for junior lecturers. So graduation for receptionist. So for receptionist positions, for these positions, graduation is the qualification. So you can attend to the interview between 25th June 2021 to 28th June 2021. So office timings will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you have any queries regarding these job notification, you can also approach them with the given contact numbers. There are openings available for Neil Gogte Institute of Technology. So they have openings available for the teaching faculty in the department of CSE or CSM or Science and Humanities, and they have openings available for assistant professors in CSE or CSM with MTech and PhD, and CSE or CSM with BTech plus MTech in same branch, and MSc or MA for Science and Humanities. So salary as per the AICTE scales. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the resumes@ngit.ac.in. So on and before 30 June 2021. So you can also check here with the address details and also contact number. So if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given contact details. Next one, there are openings available from Narasimha Reddy Engineering College, UGC Autonomous. So they have vacancies available for the professor, associate professors and assistant professors in CSE, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cyber security, data science, ECE, EEE, MEC, civil and MBA, and also vacancies available for assistant professors for English, physics, chemistry, mathematics, AO, scholarship clerks, lab assistants and network admin. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, and you can also check here with the address details. So the walk-in interview will be held on 27th June 2021. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.